In this video, we will demonstrate how to temporarily bypass the fuse to connect two batteries. This procedure may be used if no spare transportation fuses are available on site. To perform this procedure correctly, you will need a few specific tools. Multi-bit screwdriver. Hex bit 4 mm. PZ 1 bit. Small pliers. Hex bit 4 mm. Always tighten the screws to the specified torque values. All torque values can be found in the maintenance manual. To disconnect the solar panel cable from the lighting unit, rotate the latch counterclockwise and carefully remove it from the power connector. Remove the lighting unit from portable mount. Start by releasing the safety latches. Gently remove the lighting unit, being careful not to bend the rear latches. To remove the lighting unit from the permanent mount, use a 4 mm hex key to unscrew the 4M 5x10 screws under the mounting plate. Lift the lighting unit from the mounting plate. Remove the antenna before unscrewing the housing. Next, using a power drill or a multi-bit screwdriver equipped with an H4 bit, remove the 8M 5x20 screw securing the SP-401S lamp housing. Remove the screws, then carefully lift the top cover and place it beside the bottom housing, keeping in mind that the wires are still connected and must not be pulled apart. To interrupt the electrical circuit in the lamp, disconnect the yellow transport fuse cable that connects the upper and lower sections of the lamp housing. In the upper section of the housing, remove the masking plate that covers access to the PCB. Remove the 4M 3x6 screws using a multi-bit screwdriver with a PZ 1 bit and take out the masking plate. After unscrewing the screws, remove the masking plate from the housing. Locate the hidden positive cable under the masking plate. Using pliers, remove a small section of insulation from the connector end of the hidden positive cable. Disconnect the blue cables from the negative terminal and the red cables from the positive terminal. Hide the unused red cables coming out from the bottom of the lighting unit. Connect the blue cables to the negative terminals. Connect the red positive cable and the yellow positive cable coming from the PCB board to the positive terminals. After completing the operation, reinstall and secure the masking plate in its original position. Place the masking plate into the upper part of the housing, ensuring that the wires from the PCB pass through the designated hole on the left side. Make sure the electronic connection diagram label is facing outward. Then secure the masking plate using 4 M3x6 screws. Tighten them in an opposite sequence using a multi-bit screwdriver equipped with a PZ1 bit. After each opening of the SP-401S lamp housing, replace the gasket located between the upper and lower parts of the housing. The gasket may be removed by carefully passing it over either the upper or lower part of the housing. Subsequently, install a new gasket by sliding it over the housing from either the top or the bottom section of the unit. Next, close the lamp. This can be performed using one of two methods. By positioning the gasket on the lower section of the housing and placing the upper section on top of it. Position the upper housing section so that the power supply connector is located on the opposite side of the battery connectors. The second method involves inserting the gasket into the groove of the upper housing section, and gently positioning the lower housing section against it. Next, insert 8 M5x20 screws through the upper housing section, then secure them from underneath using M5 nuts. Use a multi-bit screwdriver equipped with an H4 bit to tighten the screws. Tighten the screws in an opposite sequence to ensure proper and even compression of the gasket. If the gasket shifts out of position during assembly and becomes pinched while tightening the housing, a characteristic bulge may appear, and the lamp may lose its watertight integrity. In this case, open the housing, properly adjust the gasket, and tighten the housing again. After properly securing the housing, locate the antenna socket on the upper section of the lamp and ensure that the gasket is installed. Then install the antenna by screwing it into the antenna socket. Before inserting the lamp, unlock and open the safety latches. Carefully insert the lamp so that the rear part hooks onto the latches holding the lamp in place. Then, close the front safety latches to lock the lamp securely in place. Place the lamp on the base and screw it in from underneath, tightening the screws opposite each other. Use 4 M5x10 screws for the installation. Use a 4 mm hex key and tighten the screws to keep the lamp steady and secure. To connect the solar panel, look for the power connector on the side of the lighting unit. When connecting the devices, locate the thickest pin and align pin number 4 with input port number 4, or position it so that the thickest pin faces the power connector cover. Insert the connector carefully until it is fully seated in the socket, then turn the latch clockwise to lock the power cord in place. Remember that bypassing the fuse disables overload protection and increases the risk of short circuits. The lamp remains fully operational with the fuse bypass applied until a new transport fuse is installed. Install the transport fuse once spare fuses are available to restore the lamp to its original condition. For more information about bypassing the fuse, please refer to the SP-401S maintenance manual.